Hi everyone, in this video we want to find the radius of this circle. First, let us draw a perpendicular line from point A to chord BC. Let us label this point D. This is 90 degree. Now, note that line BA and CA is 5 units, which implies that triangle BAC is an isosceles triangle. And because triangle BAC is an isosceles triangle, this line bisects BC into two equal halves. So we can say from this point to this point is 3 units. From this point to this point is 3 units. So let us find the length of AD. Since our triangle is right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So which says AD squared plus 3 squared equal to 5 squared. AD squared plus 9 equal to 25. AD squared equal to, if we subtract 9 from both sides, we are going to get 25 minus 9. AD squared equal to 16. If you square root both sides, we are going to have AD equal to square root of 16 and AD equal to 4 units. So this line AD is 4 units. Now let us extend the line from this point to a point on the circumference of the circle. Let us just extend it. Let us label this point E. Line AE is a perpendicular bisector because BD is equal to DC, and perpendicular bisector of a chord in a circle always pass through the center of the circle. So we can say the center of the circle fall on a point on this line. Let us say this is the point. I want you to recall this theorem, intersecting chords theorem. Let me use this diagram to explain. Let us say from this point to this point to the point of intersection, let us label it A. From this point to this point, let us label it B. From this point to the point of intersection, let us label it C. From this point of intersection to this point, let us label it D. The theorem says the product of A and B is equal to the product of C and D. So mathematically, the theorem says AB equal to CD. Let us apply the same theorem here. This is one chord, this is another chord. So A D multiplied by DE equal to BD multiplied by DC. So AD multiplied by DE equal to BD multiplied by DC. AD is 4 units. Let us substitute it here. Our BD is 3 units and DC is 3 units. Let us put it here too. So 4DE equal to 3 multiplied by 3. That means if we divide both sides by 4 over 4 over 4, DE equal to 9 over 4. So from this point to this point is 9 over 4. And we said earlier that a perpendicular called bisector in a circle always pass through the center of the circle. It implies that line AE is the diameter of the circle. So we can say AE equal to AD plus DE. Our AD is 4 units and our DE is 9 over 4 units. So we can say AE equal to 4 plus 9 over 4 and AE equal to 4 plus 9 over 4 will give us 25 over 4, and this is the diameter of the circle. And we know that the relationship between diameter and radius is R equal to D over 2. So we can say R equal to AE over 2, which is equal to 25 over 4 divided by 2. So R equal to 25 over 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 25 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is equal to 25 over 8. So the radius of the given circle is 25 over 8 units. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.